Meaning of infectiously.
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 Infectiously. The term infectiously is an adverb that describes a quality or characteristic that spreads quickly and easily from one person to another. When something is said to be infectious, it means that it has the ability to spread, influence, or affect others in a positive way. For example, a person's infectious laughter might cause others around them to start laughing too. Similarly, an infectious positive attitude can motivate and inspire those around them. In general, anything that is described as infectiously is highly contagious and has the potential to produce rapid and widespread effects on others.